guys, welcome to this episode. Today I just made these by myself that I made. And these are all about puppets. And this is the mini one, small one, medium one, and the pack one. So now I just think if we can, but we have to use some of my puppets. After I use some of my puppets, I have to pick. This is number 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have to pop, but I have to pick with closing my eyes. Now I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, I can't see anything. Where is it? Open. Oh, I got this unicorn. For the unicorn, I think I better pick 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna see how many are left. 2. Understand? So when I end it pop in one of these lines, I have to pick 2. So I have to open this first. Now let's see. Just gonna rip it. Rip it. Here it is, guys. It's been squashed. We still can press it. So this one we can pop a lot. Okay, now let's open again. But let's pop them again. I'm gonna pick I think 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Start all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 7. 1 left. No can do. Now I'm gonna pick I think 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1. Still can't do. Okay, so I think I know. How about 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have it, but that's okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't remember what it's for, but I think it is this. I think let's open this.